YouTube.
Give it up for our Halloween champ.
Hello.
You ready to make some money?
Hello.
Step right over here.
How you doing?
2 minutes on the clock there, Maisha.
You are moving. You are moving the ball. I can see you. It is blurry right now, but I can't. Oh my goodness, that face right there.
We're going.
There you are.
You got your running shoes on, right?
I thought it was.
We're going. 3, 2,
Oh my.
1, go!
For every item that I grab, more
My
people
hands
can
are
come to my
covering
way,
it.
and it'll be just that much more awesome.
Blood orange olive oil.
Guys pointing at the vinegar, and I'm like, dude, it's behind you.
Oh, you're under the table, aren't you? Yes, you are.
Go, go.
No.
Living with a skeleton, bottom right-hand side.
Why do I have to wear this?
Long way for it to lay. Follow the line, $2 grand.
Hey, I can see you. Oh my goodness, Dylan. Oh my god.
$2 grand. Ding.
Oh, you're running away. Where are you going? No, don't go. There you are. You're carefully just staying there. Bye, Dylan. Where are you now? Where are you now?
Cheer me on,
Where are you now that I need you? Do you? Oh, whatever I'm doing.
I know we're not used to having a boy in the house.
Hello. Hello.
right now.
He's so cute. I'm gonna be going up to him. I'm not stopping this. He's very, very, very cute. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Where are you going?
Isis.
I can see all the way, and all I can see is Dylan's pants. Hey, hey, doggy. Hey, doggy.
Good girl, Isis. Good girl, Isis.
Doggy.
Nice to the baby.
Oh my goodness.
Guys, don't scare him.
I'm not
Make
scared.
my dream wish.
So ready to get
He's a feral puppy, which means he gets very nervous. Dylan. Okay, no more Dylan.
He doesn't want his rope toy. Leave him be, Tristan.
I'm posting this on YouTube. What your butt doing? What your butt doing?
He's posting it on YouTube.
I can't stop this.
Oh no, she
Oh
went
no, no.
Out.
Get. Oh no, doggy. Where are you going? Where are you
Okay,
going?
Dylan. He's
he
not
come
your
see me
normal
on-
puppy, okay?
Oh,
Let him
what are
be.
you doing? What are you doing?
Athena,
You're
show
looking
her where the
for
third
nobody knows. Oh no, good. There we go.
I love his little husky curl. Reminds me of Nigel.
Doggy, doggy leg. Doggy, doggy leg. Okay, stop.
I was trying to do the table again.
I'm gonna be looking into your
His ears
face.
could very likely stand up when he's older.
So when he's small, his ears go down.
Doggy,
Even though when
Doggy
I
butt,
said that Athena grew
doggy butt,
up,
butt,
they had
doggy butt,
ears that go
doggy
down,
butt,
not
butt.
up anymore.
little feet.
They
Shaking
never
his
had
tummy and
going
then
up ears,
going
but he's
for
got
feet.
shepherd and a shepherd puppies have down ears when
Doggy,
they're little and then they go
oh,
up.
doggy butt, doggy on his feet. Feet, because it's on the beat. Okay.
Stop twisting.
No more raps for little puppies.
No more videos.
What's he into?